Tingnan nyo si Axel ah. Ayaw niya dalhin yung binili kong lamisa tsaka upuan. Ako nang mismo ang naglagay sa motor niya at hinikot ko. Nilagay ko sa motor niya. Ako naglagay niyan, hindi siya. Pang baby daw yung upuan at lamisang binili ko. Hala, yung sasagasain niya. Ayun ah. Sana hindi yan mahulog. Ano yun oh. Kung mahulog man yan na, wala na talaga. Perfect! Hi! Oh, ayun ang upuan at lamisa ko. Let's go, nak! Yet, having Axel is like having a zombie in my life. You need to have a heart attack.
You have money?
Yeah? You have money?
Yes. I just need to take 200 fuel. It's empty.
Okay. So yes, let's go guys. Because he's in hurry. Let's go now. Because having a foreigner husband,
Come on, boy.
time is gold. Gold is time. Okay. Let's go. We're going to the river in a way. Leave that. Leave. Okay. Go to daddy. Helmet.
Smiling. Come here. Being good boy.
His helmet is Elsa.
I can't really stand up.
Okay guys, let's go. Axel wearing a singlet because
We're going to the river. It's full of shadow.
holding
Good boy. Good boy. Happy. He loves it.
Look how cute that.
Oh yeah, right there.
Bibili kami ng chicken. Gasoline first. With Axel, Liam, Frozen, Elsa.
Okay, Mama pay.
Okay.
Oh,
Yep.
not a YouTube video.
Nandito na kayo guys. Ito ay river. And the what's called means is that he's a Swedish, Britain, England. Where are you from?
I actually don't remember.
So yeah, the foreigner that tumira siya babaw.
Very English.
Yeah, tumira siya sa babaw. Na yun ang bahay niya. So tapos nilagyan niya ng Mark's Pool because foreigners, you know, this they are it's like new for them. Look at how happy Liam mo. Parang new sa kanila tong mga ganito, parang exotic ba? But show me, Axel. This is good for Liam's practicing. And look what I wrote, guys. Axel is Axel is angry with me.
I'm not angry.
A bit.
It's like a baby set.
But this is good for sitting when you go. So it's up to you. You stand there forever. But me,
if you're the size of what Philippine people was before COVID, that would be great. After COVID, no Philippine fits in there.
there is one.
But I tell you, Philippine people have grown in size a lot.
This is perfect for you when you are in the river.
So stupid. It's so stupid.
Perfect. It's just arrived today. So yeah, we have chicken and water while we're watching the view. Our view.
That is our view. Making sure Liam is good.
Oh yeah.
It's perfectly fine though.
And yep.
But she only bought one chair and a table for herself, nothing for me, so I have to stand.
I bought for you.
You didn't. What? Where is it?
At home.
Oh yeah?
You can sit down here while I'm...
A chair like that?
Huh? Yeah.
Funny. It can hold maximum 80 kilos.
You can still sit down. Right?
Yeah, but if a Shopee product can hold 80 kilos, it can actually hold 60.
Come on. Fat people. people. I support people sitting that too. So.
Not as fat as me, baby.
Ah, it is. Don't
Nope.
be underestimate yourself.
I'm not underestimating myself. That's a Philippine thing. I'm perfectly aware I'm fat.
You're not fat. You're handsome.
That's a Philippine thing to say. Like 90 kilo, 1 meter, 50 centimeter tall. I'm not fat, just chubby. Yeah, that's Philippine style. Nobody admits.
Come on, don't put yourself down.
I'm not counting myself down. I'm 185 and 90 something kilos. I don't care. I'm handsome no matter what.
Yeah, that's supposed to be.
Doesn't mean that chair is fitting though.
Film it correctly.
I'm filming Liam.
Sit down, Anne. Say.
I am not sitting down in that chair again. No. You sit down. I'm sure it will break down with you too. You're like 55 kilos, so
Film me correctly.
you're
Water.
pretty much maximum.
Say, water. Rice. Rice. Rice.
Where is the bowl for the sauce?
Plastic is a bowl. And chicken. Yeah, sitting there. Sitting, watching the view.
Good life for one of us. It's safe.
Oh, yeah.
It is good.
Yeah. What do you think?
You check it out. I sit on your lap.
No.
No?
Sit there. Sit there so you will not hurt your back.
Why I sit there? Oh God! It's
See?
way too small.
Yeah, but still something. Happy?
Yeah, of course I'm not getting out again. But I have a feeling I'm gonna fall down before I get out. That's fine. I'm hungry, so I just eat.
See? Perfect, right?
It's so.
You just need, I just find you bigger that one then. I will find bigger chair for you. But this is good for travel. Especially, huh? You cannot open eye.
Very hard life. What? Why are you laughing at me? Very rude.
Oh my God. Let me do it for you. Our view, oh.
Mmm. Mmm. You hungry?
He's not, he just eats. Here. See? I'll bring my camera back. Good?
Makula.
Water, oy. There in the water there too, oh. Fresh.
Perfect.
And you can see your view.
This is better lunch than oatmeal in the office. To be fair.
See?
I like this better.
And his view, oh. Liam. Put that in here, oh. Sabi ko naman, guys, bibili na kayo ng upuan at lamesa ganito. 2 chairs and 1 table, it costs 1,089. 1,000 then. Oh, and happy? Liam, oh. Perfect. The river is not too deep for him. Swimming with Liam with this. Look at, the water is not in here. Good only for Liam. We just went this to the river just to let Liam enjoy. That's all we did. Nothing else. What is this, Tommy? Tommy. Look, look. This is the pool. You don't want to go home? Go home na. Go home. Go home. Bye-bye.
I think it's starting to get cold actually.
You don't want to go home?
See it on his lips.
You don't want? Nay. Oh. Oh.
I can have 5 more minutes, but then they have to take him up, yeah?
Yeah? Daddy.
No matter what he says.
Daddy said we need to go. Oh. Ito yung sapa lang siya, pero ginawa siyang like mini pool sa isang foreigner. They like it this is for heaven for him, for them. Perfect for Liam and it's clean.
This is as clean as it gets.
And the shadow, it's okay for me kasi I will not become octopus. But for Axel, we will become octopus. So he easily gets sunburned.
Me?
Oh.
I haven't been sunburned in my life yet.
Look at my son, oh. Oh, oh. He's swimming.
Hey.
We take photo, babe. We take photo. This is my baby Jack. Baby Jack. Smile. He will not. He don't have time. He's cooling. Daddy is not cooling because this is too small for him. Yeah, yeah.
Like it's not too small for you, huh?
He just wants some companion.
No, I mean this place. I can totally see myself sitting here having food or having a couple of beers with Liam and you playing around, and I can cool down there. You can cool down, right? In days like
The
this.
question.
But it is shadow in here, so I'm good.
Yeah, I have question for you. Do you have table?
Come here, baby. Come here. Show you how much I love you.
I just asking.
Come here, baby.
Do you have a chair?
I do. Both. I can just drive the car. I have.
Yeah, you
Much better than what you have.
It's too hassle to bring.
Not if I drive a car.
Wait, were you parked in the road? Look at. Oh, a crab! A crab!
Funny. Of course it is crab, sir.
Back.
River crab.
Back.
But I bet they're not out there. Especially not now. More up the river, right?